Every day, commercial pool operators face the same costly challenges: constant maintenance, skyrocketing chemical bills, an increasing need to save resources, and water that never seems quite clear enough. Here's why. Microscopic contaminants in your pool water are too small to be caught by your filters. They slip right through or embed within the filter media, forcing you to use more chemicals, backwash more often, change filter media, and constantly fight cloudy water. ClearFlow changes everything with electronic flocculation. Our system sends safe, low-frequency radio waves through your existing water lines before filtration, causing those tiny particles to naturally cluster together into larger clumps. Instead of tiny particles embedding deep into your filter media and clogging it quickly, ClearFlow creates larger clusters that rest on top of your filters, keeping flow rates stable and dramatically extending time between backwashes. And here's the best part. ClearFlow is completely non-invasive. Our wall-mounted unit plugs into any standard outlet, and the signal tag mounts directly onto your existing pipes, no cutting, plumbing, or downtime required. Most installations take just 1 hour. The results speak for themselves. University of Missouri saved over 393,000 gallons of water annually. Berthoud Recreation Center increased their UVT, optimized their UV performance, and as a result, reduced chlorine usage by 32%. The City of Montreal extended backwashing intervals by 400% and reduced backwashing duration by 90%. With ClearFlow, you'll see crystal clear water quality, massive water savings, increased chemical efficiency, better UV system performance, less maintenance, and it works 24/7 with any filter type or pool size. ClearFlow, the aquatic industry's first and only electronic flocculation system. Visit us at clearflowpool.com to learn how we can solve your facility's challenges.